Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. Today I am doing a look for the LaColors Make Me Melt Strawberry Peach palette that I picked up at the Dollar Tree recently. These palettes are little 15 pan palettes. They're in cardboard packaging. They are super cute packaging actually, with that little sleeve there, and some of the shades are super pigmented, some of them are not, and we're going to do a look today using Strawberry Peach. So I've already primed my lids with the Believe Beauty eyeshadow primer, and now we're taking the Strawberry Peach palette, and the first shades I'm going to do is I'm going to mix these two orange shades at the bottom. One's more peachy than orange, but I'm just going to mix them together and use them in my crease. And I always tap off my brush to prevent less fallout. I'm holding my brush towards the middle so I can have more control. I'm just going to build the shade up in my crease and feather it along as we go, so that way it blends as well. I always do this for all my looks. I'm using a fluffy blending brush for this as well. And now I'm going to take more of the concentrate of orange shade there, and I'm going to work that into the inner corner and outer corner, and this is the more orangey shade from the bottom row. And once that's done, we're going to go in with this shimmery peach shade here. I'm picking that up on my finger. This is the best way to apply a lot of shimmer shades, and that is with your finger. They just go on so nicely. We're going to blend the edges of that. And once again, I'm doing a halo eye, and it's just so easy to achieve a halo eye in my opinion. This is a perfect beginner eye tutorial. This looks like it is something very special. Like, it might be a little intimidating at first, but honestly it's such an easy technique to do. Really, it is. Once you get the hang of it, like halo eyes, it's so quick and easy. They look so pretty as well. So we're going to do a bit of adding shade and blending. And next we're going to be taking the yellow in the palette, which I was so excited for. It's a bit lackluster, to be honest, but I mean, 15 shades for $1, you know. I'm going to use that against the edges of all of the peachy orange shadows, and especially in the crease, I want that orange peachy shade to transition out into yellow. I'm taking the shimmery champagne shade in the palette on the sponge tip applicator and applying that in my inner corner. This look I actually wore taking Connor to the dentist. So just a nice quick spring look. I was very happy with how this look turned out, and I just loved it. Very warm. I want to even call it like fresh faced kind of look. I loved it. It's so pretty. I would definitely do this look again. I'm taking the light vanilla shade in that palette as well, and I'm applying that under the brow bone. And when I do these looks, I try to use a lot of shadows in the look, so that way you can test out a few of them. And I probably will film at least one more look with this Strawberry Peach palette. If you want to see more, just let me know as well, because I will try. It's just recently I bought a lot of palettes, and I'm trying to get through them all, at least doing one look on camera with them, and I've had no time. But it is summer vacation now, summer break, and I have a little bit more time. I was homeschooling Connor, so I didn't have much time at all. And the reason why you see, 5 videos a week, and I always feel the need to mention this in the videos, is because I pre-film. Or I pretty much film, like, if I sit down to film, I will film 2-3 videos in one day. So that way, that's more than half of the week's videos. And when I get a chance, I will edit 1 day a week. I answer comments 1 day a week. Sometimes I don't get a chance to do that, but this is the ultimate go. And, that's that. But now it is summer, and I should have a little bit more time to do that. So I'm going for a nude lip. I use the Clinique High Impact Mascara. Once again, that's in my makeup basket. I'm trying to use it up. And that's Maybelline Nude Lust lipstick. And I'm pretty sure I put a gloss on top of it. Super glossy. And that's our finished look. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Try it out for yourselves. Stay tuned for more LaColors videos, because I can promise you there is a lot more coming. I thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like the video, comment, subscribe, and ring the bell if you haven't already. Check the description box for a product list. And stay tuned for more makeup tutorials.